Hello my diecast friends, I'm going to do a review about these two Ferrari Enzos in a 1/64 scale. I found them on AliExpress and of course I will place a link in the description of where I bought them. But maybe they're also available on eBay, who knows. Didn't have any Enzos in my collection, so I thought let's give it a try. They are €13 each and that's about $16. Not know for sure. But let's open this up. It's a really nice package. You can see 1/64 scale. Here Ferrari, but there isn't any brand name on the package. Got some text over here. Freeze the image if you want to read it. So I don't think it's a licensed product, but oh, here we got autograph. I don't mind that it isn't a licensed product as long as it is a good model. Nice looking background. Okay, it comes with a nice display, so that's pretty cool. So here it is. Nice black rims, that is what dude likes. Paint looks very good. And here we got it, 1/64 Ferrari Enzo. Take a look at the front. Lanced headlights. And we got a Ferrari logo here on the side. Got some silver paint on the mirrors. Do we have a Ferrari logo on the other side? Yes. Nice rims, by the way. And we see red brakes. That is also very cool. And I'm not sure if you can see the interior very good, but I can tell you it looks terrific. Try to focus a little bit. Let's zoom in. It's a little bit difficult to see, but here we have the engine. Very nice detail. Okay, now let's take a look at the back. Focus, please. Thank you very much. So I must say, it looks very cool. Now, I'm really curious about the base, so let's take it off the display. There we go. Yep. Here it comes off. Okay, let's see, it's a plastic base. ACE, maybe that is the brand name, made in China. Not much details. Not sure if that's also in reality. I'm not a Ferrari expert. But this is definitely worth the money, guys. Definitely worth the money. Okay, I'll put it here in the diorama. Oh, do the wheels roll? No, nothing. Okay, let's take a look at the red version. So the box is the same as the white version. Let's open it up. And same as the white one, it comes with a nice display. Beautiful matte red color. This one looks also very cool. Again, lanced headlights. Ah, the front, such a cool car. And there are more colors than only red and white. I think there's also a green one, a blue one, different color, red. Not sure if these are available. And I think there's even a yellow one. check that engine. Can I zoom in? Here we got a little bit reflection on the window. Got the steering wheel with the Ferrari logo on it. So let me know what you think about these Ferrari Enzos. Do you think it's worth the money? I think it is. I think it is. So let's take this one off the base too. The display. There it comes. And yes, very logical, same base, plastic. And okay, the wheels are a little bit rolling, but not that good. And the fronts, no, they don't. Yeah, a little bit, but not much. Not as good as Mini GT or Greenlight. Oh, focus. Thank you very much. So a very nice looking Enzo, and I'm really happy with it. Okay guys, don't forget to check my new channel, and please like and subscribe. The name is Diecast Dude Shorts, and I really appreciate if you take a look and ring the bell. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe on this channel if you haven't already. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. And have a very nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye.